it has finally been executed. The first sleepover in my little weekend camper. What are my opinions about it then? Well, it's beyond my expectations, I must say. First of all, 3 nights spending in a camping, so I'm cheating a bit. I had my quick toilet with me, the grill and everything, and it worked better than I expected. So now I'm back into work, and a quick sum up of it all. It's gonna be exciting to try out even more in not cheating condition as a camping. I want to try it out on some fishing lake and places like that. Well, as usual, full of work. I'm making some kind of show board for our colors. For the company I'm working, we have a kind of a showroom in a place called Nulia. And it's next week, and I have to go south to a place called Umeå, fetch some things there, kitchen related stuff. And I have to do this thing first, and then pick out some things. I wanna, maybe if I get some time over doing that, pick some Pike Lake, you know, do a cozy little fishing night, and yeah, something like that. No, this is not glass. You know, I have to say, I bought this cooling bag. You can have it either on 220 volts or I have it there 12 volts battery, and my god, it's so good. It's ice in it in the bottom. Magical. It's not a big one, but I have had all the things I need here. A lot of water, eggs, sausages, some alcohol drinks, and it has been astonishing for this 3 days. My god. And another thing, you're sleeping and it's summer and it's been almost 26-30 degrees. You have a slight cool breeze from this outlet who blows at you at night, and it's been a really comfortable nights here trying out the Ford Transit van. I'm impressed by all the things I've done to it. Even the mattress, I had some thinking that it might kill my back, but I must say, really, really good. So far, so good. Let's see. One more night. Try out on the camping. Then maybe next trip it will be in the nature purely. But it has worked perfect here, so small adjustments, then it will be perfect. The fish is so close. Varför fan borde de kvar? Vi står här bredvid. trying everything out with my new life, and had a wonderful time with my son, grandchildren, and it's time to go to bed, you know. First of all, I have to take my clothes off and